Hey crafty friends, this is Donna and I'm here today with a product reveal video for Aussie Friends Clear stamp set. Now this is a 4x6 clear stamp set and it does feature 5 images, 3 of which are the large critter images. So the kangaroo is about 2 inches at the widest point and about 2.5 inches tall. The little koala, he's about 2 inches at the widest point and about 2 3/4 inches at the tallest point. And then the little wombat, which is the smallest of the critter images, is about 1 3/4 inches across, right down at his feet, and he's about 2 inches tall. The stamp set features 6 sentiments phrases that kind of plays on the Australian sayings and slang phrases. So I have a fun angled Z-fold card to share with you, and I've managed to include all 3 of the critter images from the stamp set. I did do a lot of ink blending on this card, and I will have a tutorial on how I created this card next week on the Whimsy Stamps channel, so be sure to come back on Monday to see the process. I hope you enjoy the product reveal video featuring the Aussie Friends stamp set. The products are available in the Whimsy store, which I have linked down below in the description area. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I'll see you next time.